Well, most of us have spent a little time exploring Vancouver Island, but few of us have logged as many kilometers as our Bruce Williams. Each week, Bruce takes us off the beaten path to meet the people and to see the places that make the island one-of-a-kind place. Tonight, we go to a place that makes Bruce feel warm and fuzzy, and it's just another reason he tells us, I love this island.
No, they're not ladybugs, but here they come, every hair in place, ready for another day at Gabriola Island's Paradise Island Alpaca Farm.
We like to share our life, and so we're very fortunate in that a lot of little kids that attend the local schools have come here on school trips.
And those school kids love coming back on their own time to learn the responsibility of caring for an animal and for some really serious cuddle and snuggle time.
Well, if you love animals, then this would be the place for you.
Now, all of this is happening because of a conversation on the Gabriola Ferry 2 days after the 9/11 attack on the World Trade Center.
I went up to her when she was in a van and started talking to her about the 9/11. We were having a 2-minute silence on the ferry, and then I asked her what she was doing after, and she said, what's it to you what I'm doing after?
However, one thing led to another.
I had to think of something unusual as a wedding gift. So we had friends with alpacas, and I secretly went and bought 2.
And that was the conclusion of a unique courtship.
Like, she had everything else. I bought her a concrete mixer as an engagement present. What else do you want?
I don't think I'm getting a cold, but I am feeling a little hoarse. And yeah, these miniature ponies live here too, and the little people who visit here love them.
They're fun and they're fuzzy. You can pet them and you don't have to be really, really tall.
These ponies came from a mini horse rescue facility. These little helpers have big hearts, and these formerly neglected and abused horses are showered with love. The kids make arts and crafts with the wool from the alpaca grooming, and so does Taylor.
I'm knitting constantly, and I make hats and slippers, toques and mittens, scarves, baby clothes, you name it, I've knit it.
Paradise Island and other alpaca farms also buy products from a village in Peru and sell them.
We call ourselves Paradise Island Alpacas because we are fortunate enough to live in the Gulf Islands, the best one as far as we're concerned, Gabriola. This is our paradise.
And that's another reason I love this island. Bruce Williams, CTV News, Gabriola Island.